Are you somebody that is looking for a lake property like this one that I'm going to present today? Well, stay tuned because today I'm going to take you to the amazing Fischer Homes in Hoschton, Georgia, in a brand new master plan community, Twin Lakes. There are 5 builders in this beautiful new master plan community, but today in this video I'm going to show you this special property right here. This beautiful home, it's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms, unfinished basement with master bedroom on the main floor, a guest bedroom on the main floor. You can imagine an open floor plan, a beautiful kitchen, such a big island, so many cabinets, and an amazing deck right next to the kitchen from where you're gonna have lake views. When I say lake views, you're gonna see the entire lake. This property is so amazing. This home is in special right now from $915,000. Right now, this home is available at $850,000. Now, for those of you that would love to buy this property and you want to have this amazing lake view, make sure you contact me today so I can bring you here to Miss Christina, the listing agent for Twin Lakes with Fischer Homes, and I can show you this property in person. We can go over all the specials, the incentives, we can go over the floor plan, we can bring you here and show you everything. So make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you call me so I can secure this home for you and your family. This is an amazing property, $65,000 price drop, and today I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about this beautiful home. So 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms, 3,300 square feet with full unfinished basement, huge basement. So down the road, you can actually finish that basement and have a gorgeous property with lake views right here in Hoschton, Georgia. Now, this property is actually 3 minutes away from a Publix, which is our grocery store. So easy access to the grocery stores. And of course, for those of you that love the lake life, if you have an RV, a travel trailer, or a boat, you are actually 20 minutes driving to Lake Sidney, Lanier, which is the biggest lake in Georgia. Beautiful Lake Sidney, Lanier, where we love to go camping. We take our kayaks, we take paddle boards, the travel trailers with us, and we stay for 2 or 3 nights every single weekend, of course, during the summer. So amazing, amazing location for this beautiful new master plan community, Twin Lakes by Fischer Homes. So that's exactly what we're gonna be covering in this video today, and we are getting after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to understand everything about living in Atlanta, Georgia, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Atlanta, Georgia. My name is Livia Bica with Keller Williams, North Atlanta. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Suwannee, Alpharetta, Johns Creek, Sugar Hill, Beaufort, Cumming, Lawrenceville, Houston, or the surrounding areas, and we absolutely love it. Whether you are moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All the information is in the description below so we can help you for a smooth move to North Atlanta and the beautiful suburbs. So as I mentioned, a unique property with $65,000 price drop from Fischer Homes in Hoschton, Georgia, in Twin Lakes new master plan community right here in Hoschton, Georgia, in the north part of Atlanta. This home that I'm going to present today from $915,000 right now available for a limited time at $850,000. Today I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about this property. So make sure you watch until the end, and if you are interested, please give me a call so I can bring you here to Miss Christina and show you this beautiful property in person, and of course I can write a contract and help you secure this home for you and your family. Now let's go and check it out. Now, how amazing is this property? From $915,000, right now this home on a beautiful lake right here in Hoschton, Georgia is going to be available at $850,000. So $65,000 price drop for this beautiful new construction built in 2025 by Fischer Homes. You will be in Twin Lakes master plan community with resort style amenities. You're gonna have private lakes, you're gonna have a big pool, a smaller pool, playground, so much to offer from Fischer Homes right here in Hoschton, Georgia. Of course, this community also has easy access to the highway. So for those of you that have to go to Atlanta or Atlanta International Airport, you will have access to the highway. So easy access to go to the airport or Atlanta. 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms, approximately 3,300 square feet with a gorgeous lake view. As you see right here, this is going to be your private paradise right here in Hoschton, Georgia. Sorry, it's so windy here. What's amazing about this home, it has a master bedroom on the main floor plus a guest bedroom with a full bathroom on the main and unfinished basement. So for those of you that eventually you're gonna finish the basement, this is going to be an amazing investment. Think about that, 10 years from now, if you will have to sell this house, what's the value of this house at 10 years from now? Believe me, it's gonna be way over $1 million, and of course maybe even more. Prices are still going up here in the north part of Atlanta, and especially for the new construction. Now let's go and check out the master bedroom, the 3 bedrooms upstairs, and of course the unfinished basement. And we're also gonna go downstairs in the backyard so you can actually see the backyard and the lake. For those of you that don't have an agent, make sure you contact me. I can bring you here to Miss Christina, the listing agent from Fischer Homes, and show you this property in person. It is an amazing home. So if you don't have an agent, make sure you call me so I can bring you here and show you this home in person. Of course, I can write a contract and I can help you secure this home for you and your family. Now let's go and check out the master bedroom and the bedrooms upstairs. hope this video was helpful for those of you that are looking for a new construction, and of course for those of you that want to have a lake view. Keep in mind this property is still available and is absolutely incredible, beautiful, from $915 right now at $850,000. Now comment below and let me know, is this property a good option for you and your family? And make sure you contact us. This is Livia Bica with Keller Williams North Atlanta. Until next time, I hope to see you around town.